Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Narsimhavamana Srimadusudana Brajendra Nandana Shama. Putana Gatana Kaita Bashatana Jaya Dasarati Rama. Yashoda Dulala Govinda Gopala Vrindavana Purandhara. Gopi Priya Jana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundara Bhora. Ravana Thakura Makana Taskara Gopi Jana Vastrahari. Brajara Kala Gopa Vrindapala Chittahari Vamsidhari. Yogindra Vandana Shri Nandanandana Brajajana Bhayahari. Navina Niradha Rupa Manohara Mohana Bhamsi Bihari. Yashodanandana Kamsa Nishudana Nikunjara Savilasi. Kadamba Kanana Rasa Parayana Vrinda Vipina Nivasi. Ananda Vardhana Premaniketana Pulasharayo Jakakana. Gopangana Gana Chitta Vinodana Samasta Guna Gana Dhamma. Yamuna Jivana Kili Parayana Manasa Chandra Chakora. Namashudaras Go Krishnayas Rako Vachanamannamora Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopi Jana Ballabha Giridharidhari Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Gaur Premanande Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Sarasatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayat Nasta Praeshu Vabhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki. We're reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 27, Text number 22.
हामीहरू पढ्दैछौँ अध्याय 27 22 श्लोक स्कन्द 4
Mai samrabhya vipada
Mai samrabhya vipada
Mai samrajya viplula
Mai samrajya vipula
Madakshapam Sudusaham Madaschapam Sudusaham Statum Arhasi Naikatra Statum Arhasi Naikatra Madhyena Vimukha Mune Madhyachna Vimukha Mune Mai Samrabhya Vipula Majaschapam sudusaham statum atasi naikatra madhyachnam vimukho mune. Mai unto me, Samrabhya, having become angry,
Risaira,
Vipula, unlimited,
Asimit,
Madat, out of illusion,
Brahmle Garda,
Shapam,
Shrap,
Sudusaham, unbearable,
Asahaya,
Statum arhasi, you may remain.
Rahna Sakta Chao,
Na, never.
Kahilai Pani,
Ekatra, in one place.
Ek Sthanma,
Mat, my.
Mero,
Yachna, request.
Yachna,
Vimukha, having refused.
Asvikar Garera,
Mune, O great sage.
He Muni,
Go ahead. You want me to read?
no, sentence by sentence.
The great sage Narada continued, when I refused to accept her request, she became very angry at me and cursed me severely. Because I refused her request, she said that I would not be able to stay in one place for a long time.
महान ऋषि नारद बहन्दाई हुनुहुन्छ जब मैले उनको याचना अस्वीकार गरेँ उनी मसँग धेरै रिसाएन र मलाई कठोर श्राप दिन मैले उनको अनुरोध अस्वीकार गरेको थिए त्यसैले उनले भनिन् तपाई कुनै पनि स्थानमा लामो समय बस्न सक्नुहुँदैन Okay.
Oh, wait. I'm looking things. 22. Purport. The great sage Narada Muni has a spiritual body. Therefore, old age, disease, birth, and death do not affect him. Narada is the most kind devotee of the Supreme Lord, and his only business is to travel all over the universe and preach God consciousness. In other words, his business is to make everyone a Vaishnava. Under the circumstances, there is ordinarily no need for him to stay in one place for more than the time he requires to preach. Since by his own free will, he is already traveling all over the universe, the curse of Kalakanya is described as fortunate. Like Narada Muni, many other devotees of the Lord are engaged in preaching the glories of the Lord in different places and in different universes. Such personalities are beyond the jurisdiction of material laws.
महान ऋषि नारद को दिव्य शरीर थियो, त्यसैले वृद्ध अवस्था, रोग, जन्म र मृत्युले उहाँलाई प्रभाव पर्न सक्दैन थियो। नारद परम ईश्वरका अति दयालु भक्त हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँको एकमात्र कार्य ब्रह्माण्ड भीर भ्रमण गर्दै ईश्वर चेतनाको प्रचार गर्नु हो र उखोङ शब्दमा भन्दा प्रत्येकलाई वैष्णव बनाउने उहाँको एउटा मात्र कार्य हो। त्यसैले उहाँलाई प्रचार गर्ने आवश्यक समय बाहेक एउटा स्थानमा लामो समयसम्म बस्न आवश्यकता नै हुँदैन। आफ्नो स्वेच्छाले वहाँ सम्पूर्ण ब्रह्माण्डमा भ्रमण गर्नुहुन्छ भएको छ। त्यसैले कल्याकन्याको श्राप भाग्यपूर्व हो भनेर ठिक्का गरिएको छ। नारद मुनिवास्तै भगवानको धेरै भक्तहरू भगवानका महिमाहरूका प्रचार विभिन्न ब्रह्माण्डका विथित स्थानहरूमा गर्न संलग्न भइरहनु भएको छ। त्यसैले त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरू भौतिक नियममा चढिनुहुन्न।
Om Jnanatimarandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chaksurunmilitanyena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadhamayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yata Pada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sakrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajevam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishaka Nitamscha He Krishna Karana Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostate Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namah Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namane Namaste Sarasati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschacha Desat Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. We're hearing Narada Muni describe about his experiences in traveling.
नारद मुनि अपना अनुभव बताउनुहुन्छ अहिले अपना ब्रह्माण्ड को.
Of course, he's come to preach to Maharaj Prachini Barishat.
वहाँ प्रचिन बर्हिसाटलाई प्रचार गर्नको लागि आएको छ.
So he is telling the king about how he got cursed by Kalakanya.
उहाँले महाराज प्रचिन बर्हिसाटलाई बताएको छ कसरी उहाँलाई श्राप पाएको छ कलाकान्यबाट.
Kalakanya is the daughter of time.
कलाकान्या यो छोरी समयको छोरी हुनुहुन्छ.
And she was attracted to Narada Muni. She saw he was a nice brahmachari and she thought he would be just right for me.
उहाँ एकदम आकर्षित भएको छ. कलाकान्याले आकर्षित भएको छ नारद मुनिको प्रति किनकि राम्रो ब्रह्मचारी हुन्छ, एकदम राम्रो श्रीमान हुन्छ.
But Narada Muni is a Naistika brahmachari. He is very fixed in his position and he was not interested.
तर नारद मुनि एकदम पक्का नैष्ठिक ब्रह्मचारी नै हुनुहुन्छ, त्यसैले उहाँको इच्छा थिएन.
So when Narada Muni refused her proposal, then Kalakanya was angry at him and she cursed him.
जब नारद मुनि प्रस्ताव उहाँको अस्वीकार गरेको छ, एकदम कलाकान्य रिसाएर उहाँलाई श्राप दिएको छ.
But the curse was actually a blessing for Narada Muni.
तर यो श्राप वास्तवमा आशीर्वाद रूपमा नै भएको छ.
So it's often like that when materialistic people curse someone who's a devotee, that the curse is actually, it works in a good way for them.
त्यही पनि यदि भौतिकवादी मान्छेहरू श्राप दिनुहुन्छ आध्यात्मिक भक्तहरूलाई, त्यो उहाँको श्राप नै आशीर्वाद रूपमा हुन्छ.
Daksha also had cursed Narada Muni that he wouldn't stay in one place for very long.
दक्ष पनि नारद मुनिलाई श्राप दिएको छ, तपाईँ एक ठाउँमा लामो समय बस्न सक्दैन.
Narada Muni had preached to the sons of Daksha and he'd convinced them not to go home because he knew Daksha planned to get them married.
नारद मुनि एकदम प्रचार गरेको छ, 10,000 दक्षको छोरालाई प्रचार गरेर भक्त बनाएको छ र दक्ष उहाँको बुवा रिसाएको श्राप दिएको छ.
So Narada Muni is a brahmachari and he thought these are nice young men, why should they? Well, they can also stay brahmacharis.
त्यो महाविचार गरेको उहाँको जो 10,000 छोरा हुनुहुन्थ्यो, राम्रो युवाहरू, उहाँलाई ब्रह्मचारी बनाउने राम्रो छ नि,
No need for them to go back home.
किन फेरि घरमा गृहस्थीमा फर्काउने जरुरत छैन उहाँ।
And Daksha as a Prajapati, his job is to fill up the universe and see that there's many children.
अनि दक्ष प्रजापति नै हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँको कार्य सेवा नै हो धेरै पुरा ब्रह्माण्डलाई जीवलाई बढाउने, जीव उत्पन्न गर्ने।
And so he got angry at Narada Muni.
एकदम रिसाएको नारद मुनिको प्रति।
And he also cursed Narada, you won't stay in any one place.
नारदजीलाई पनि श्राप दिएको छ, लामो समय एक ठाउँमा बस्नु सक्दैन तिमी।
And Daksha thought this was a curse.
दक्ष विचार गरेको यो श्राप दिएको।
But Narada thought this is a blessing.
तर नारद मुनिले विचार गरेको वाह क्या आशीर्वाद पाएको छ मलाई।
Just like there was one time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was having kirtan in the Srivas Angam every night.
एक दिन चैतन्य महाप्रभु शिव सङ्गममा कीर्तन गरेको थिए।
So this one Brahmana, smarter Brahmana, he wanted to come to the kirtan.
एउटा स्मार्त ब्राह्मण पनि यो कीर्तनमा प्रवेश गर्नु चाहनुहुन्थ्यो।
But at this time the kirtans were private and Lord Chaitanya didn't want this Brahmana to come.
तर यो कीर्तन वास्तवमा गुप्त कीर्तन थियो वा चैतन्य महाप्रभु चाहनुहुन्थेन अर्को मान्छे बाहिर मान्छे भित्र आओस्।
So when Lord Chaitanya told the Brahmana he couldn't come to the kirtan, the Brahmana got angry at Lord Chaitanya and cursed him.
जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु मना गरेको छ उहाँ हुनुभयो तपाईँ आउनु सक्दैन, त्यो ब्राह्मण थियो, ब्राह्मणले एकदम रिसाएको श्राप दिएको चैतन्य महाप्रभु।
And the Brahmana took his Brahmin thread and broke his Brahmin thread and said, I curse you.
अब त्यो ब्राह्मण आफ्ना उपविता लिएर तोड दिएको छ, रिसाएर म तिमीलाई श्राप दिन्छु।
Said, I curse you will never enjoy material life.
म श्राप दिन्छु तपाईँ भौतिक सुख कहिले पनि प्राप्त गर्न सक्दैन।
So Lord Chaitanya thought, oh, it's so nice.
हो राम्रो छ एकदम।
Right? Wouldn't you all like that curse?
तपाईलाई कहिले पनि ग्रीन कार्ड भिजा जानको लागि पाइदैन।
You should not want to enjoy material life.
कहिले पनि भौतिक सुख प्राप्त गर्न सक्दैन तपाईँ।
So Narada Muni has been cursed. He cannot stay in any one place.
So नारद मुनि एक ठाउँमा लामो समय बस्न सक्दैन।
And this is a good thing for the preacher.
यो प्रचारको लागि प्रचारक मान्छेलाई त राम्रो कुरा।
Often happens in the course of preaching Krishna consciousness that we get some people are not happy with us.
कहिलेकाहीँ प्रचार गर्दै गर्दै धेरै मान्छेहरू असन्तुष्टि एकदम असन्तुष्टि हुनुहुन्छ।
Just like Srila Prabhupada also said he got cursed.
शिला प्रभुपाद पनि भन्नुभयो मलाई पनि श्राप पाएको।
Srila Prabhupada said he got cursed by the parents of so many young men and women who joined the Krishna conscious movement.
धेरै युवा युवतीहरू यो कृष्ण भवनामृत आन्दोलनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ, त्यसैले उहाँको बुवा आमाहरू मलाई श्राप दिएको छ।
The young people came to Krishna consciousness and their parents would be angry at Prabhupada.
युवा युवतीहरू कृष्ण भवनामृतमा आएर तर प्रभुपादजीको प्रति एकदम रिसाएको छ उहाँको बुवा आमाहरू।
You've taken away my son, you've taken my daughter.
तपाईँ मेरो छोरालाई मेरो छोरीलाई पनि छोरी गरेको छ, तपाईँ मबाट लिएको छ उहाँलाई।
And they cursed, Prabhupada said, they've cursed me that I cannot stay in one place.
उहाँहरू बुवा आमाहरू मलाई श्राप दिएको छ, म एक ठाउँमा धेरै लामो समय बस्न सक्दैन।
And Prabhupada said, even though Krishna gave me so many houses and so many nice places in the world, I cannot simply stay in any one place.
कृष्ण दयालु हुनुहुन्छ, मलाई धेरै घर दिएको छ पृथ्वीमा, तर म एक घरमा पनि धेरै लामो समय बस्न सक्दैन।
So Prabhupada requested his senior disciples that they should travel and preach on his behalf.
प्रभुपाद निवेदन गरेको छ आफ्ना वरिष्ठ अनुयायी शिष्यहरूलाई निवेदन गरेको छ तपाईँ ब्रह्माण्ड पृथ्वीको गर्नुस् र प्रचार गर्नुस्।
Just like sometimes when the father is cursed, he will ask the son to please take this curse.
कहिलेकाहीँ बुवालाई पनि श्राप पाएको छ, बुवा निवेदन गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ छोराबाट, छोरा तपाईँ यो श्राप स्वीकार्नुहोस्।
Right? The example is there. Yayati got cursed by Sukra Acharya.
जस्तो उदाहरण दिएको छ ययाति महाराजको शुक्राचार्यबाट उहाँलाई श्राप पाएको।
Yayati had married Sukracharya's daughter Devayani.
ययाति बिहा गरेको देवयानीसँग त्यो शुक्राचार्यको छोरी नै हुनुहुन्छ।
Now Devayani was the daughter of Sukracharya. She's from the Brahmana family.
किनकि शुक्राचार्य यो ब्राह्मण परिवारको मान्छे, तर ययाति राजा क्षत्रिय नै हो।
But Yayati, he's the Kshatriya.
र ययाति क्षत्रिय नै हुनुहुन्छ।
So it's not very good combination.
नराम्रो जोरा।
So Sukracharya told Yayati that you must be faithful to this girl, to my daughter. Don't get involved with other women.
ए वहाँ शुक्राचार्यले मतलब आदेश दिएको छ, तिमी एकदम वफादार हुनुपर्छ तिमीलाई मेरो छोरीप्रति, अर्को स्त्रीसँग पनि सँग नगर्ने।
But Kshatriya kings, they're surrounded by so many beautiful women. It's very difficult for them.
तर क्षत्रियको सदैव धेरै सुन्दरी सुन्दरी युवती केटी हुनुहुन्छ, महिला हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँलाई गाह्रो छ।
And when Devayani was married, she brought many beautiful young ladies with her also.
जब देवयानी बिहा गरेको ययातिसँग उहाँसँग धेरै युवती केटी पनि आएको छ।
And when Devayani had a child, then the other women also thought, I would also like to have a child.
जब देवयानीलाई छोरा पाएको छ, त्यो अर्को केटी विचार गरे, ओहो हामीहरूलाई पनि चाहियो।
And so this other woman got involved with Yayati and she became pregnant by him.
त्यो अर्को केटी पनि आएको छ, उहाँलाई पनि छोरा पाएको, बच्चा पाएको।
So when his wife found out, she was very angry and she went to her father crying.
जब देवयानी बुझ्नुभयो, ओहो यत्रो रिसाएको, मैत्री गार गएको बुवाबाट पनि निवेदन गरेको,
My husband was unfaithful to me.
मेरो एक श्रीमान धोका दिएको मलाई।
And Sukracharya was upset. He cursed the husband. He cursed Yayati to become an old man.
एन्ड शुक्राचार्य एकदम रिसाएर श्राप दिएको छ ययातिलाई, तिमी बुढो मान्छे हुनुहोस् तुरन्तै नै।
So Yayati complained. He said, if I become old, I won't be able to satisfy your daughter.
तर ययाति एकदम कारण दिएको छ, ओहो यदि म बुढा भयो भने तो तपाईको छोरीलाई देवयानीलाईमा पनि सन्तुष्टि दिन सक्दैन।
She's a young woman.
उहाँ युवती हुनुहुन्छ नै।
You're making me old.
मलाई बुढो बनाउनुहुन्छ तपाई।
I won't be able to satisfy her.
कसरी म उहाँलाई सन्तुष्टि दिन्छु त फेरि?
So then the Sukracharya said, then maybe one of your sons will take the curse.
ल ठिक छ, शुक्राचार्यले उत्तर दिएको, तपाईको छोराको बीचमा एउटा पनि तपाईको श्राप स्वीकार गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
And so Yayati approached his sons.
तो ययाति आफ्ना छोराहरूबाट निवेदन गरेको छ।
But it's not very nice thing. You want to become old? Are you willing to accept the old age of your father?
त्यो नराम्रो कुरा, त्यो कसरी त बुवाको बुढापा स्वीकार गर्नु हो गाह्रो छ।
And so the sons, they had different reasons why they did not want to accept.
और ती छोराहरू धेरै कारण दिएको छ स्वीकार नगर्नुको लागि।
But the youngest son, his name was Puru. He said, yes, father, I will accept.
तर पुरु उहाँको सबभन्दा कान्छो छोरा, तो उहाँ स्वीकार, हाँ बुवा म स्वीकार गर्छु।
So like that, sometimes the curse can be given by the father to the son.
कहिलेकाहीँ बुवा आफ्ना श्राप छोरालाई पनि
Just
गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
Just like Romaharshan Sutta had been blessed by the sages of Naimisharanya to have a long life.
रोमहर्षण साधु, वहाँ साधु मुनिबाट आशीर्वाद पाएको छ लामो जीवनको लागि।
But then Lord Balaram came and killed him.
तर बलरामजी आएको छ र उहाँलाई मृत्यु दण्ड दिएको छ।
So the sages in Naimisharanya said, what about the blessing we gave him?
त मुनिहरू नैमिषारण्यको उत्तर दिएको, ओहो बलरामजी अब के गर्ने, हाम्रो आशीर्वादको के हुन्छ?
So they said, well, we can give that to the son.
ठीक छ, हामीहरू उहाँको छोरालाई दिनु सक्छौँ त्यो पनि।
Romaharshan's son is Sutta Goswami.
तो रोमहर्षण को छोरा सुत गोस्वामी नै हुनुहुन्छ।
And so the son is the representative of the father.
त्यो छोरा अपना बुवाको प्रतिनिधि नै हुनुहुन्छ।
It may be a benediction, it may be a curse.
यो आशीर्वाद पनि हुन सक्छ, श्राप पनि हुन सक्छ।
So here Narada Muni got the curse, cannot stay in one place.
So नारद मुनि श्राप पाएको छ, एक ठाउँमा लामो समय बस्नु सक्दैन।
And I was saying Srila Prabhupada also said he had been cursed.
और शिल प्रभुपादजीलाई त्यही श्राप पाएको छ।
So he asked his disciples, because his disciples are like the son of the spiritual master.
त शिष्यहरू यो छोरा रूपमा पनि प्रतिनिधि हुन सक्नुहुन्छ गुरुको।
And he asked the senior disciple, if you will travel and preach on my behalf, he said, then I can sit down and write my book.
त शिल प्रभुपादजी आफ्ना वरिष्ठ शिष्यहरूबाट निवेदन गरेको छ, तपाईँ प्रचार गर्नुहोस् त यो श्राप लिएर, त त्यसपछि मलाई समय पाइन्छ एक ठाउँमा बस्नुको लागि।
So it's actually good for devotees to be traveling and preaching.
भक्तहरूलाई यो राम्रो कुरा एकदम भ्रमण गर्ने, प्रचार गर्ने।
If you keep moving, then you don't get attached to
जब
any
तपाईँ
one
भ्रमण
place.
गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईलाई आसक्ति हुँदैन यो संसारमा।
We know when we stay one place, then you get very comfortable in one place.
यदि तपाईँ एक ठाउँमा बस्नुहुन्छ एकछिन पछि फेरि सन्तुष्टि भएको छ, आसक्त भएको छ।
Oh, this is my room, or this is my corner.
यो मेरो कुना, मेरो कोठा, मेरो मेरो
I sleep here.
मेरो सुत्ने ठाउँ हो।
Yeah, and you get accustomed to having your own things you like, the way you want to live. You make it all nice.
अनि तपाईँ एकदम चकाचक बनाएर आसक्त भएको छ, यो मेरो ठाउँ, मेरो ये हो आफ्ना नियमको अनुसार म जीवन जिन।
But when you travel and when you move around, then you get detached from all of these things.
जब तपाईँ भ्रमण गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ के आसक्ति छैन, समय छैन आसक्त हुनुको लागि।
Right. We've been traveling. I've been with the Chinese devotees. We were traveling in Nepal.
हामीहरू चाइनिज भक्तहरूसँग प्रचार गरेको थिए, भ्रमण गरेको थियो नेपालमा।
And we went to several places.
हामी धेरै ठाउँमा गएका।
We were moving different places. Sometimes the places are nice and sometimes the places are austere.
कहिलेकाहीँ राम्रो एकदम सुन्दर ठाउँ हो, एकदम सजिलो, तर कहिलेकाहीँ ठाउँ एकदम गाह्रो छ, एकदम चुनौती।
Just like sometimes it rains and there's so many holes in the ceiling.
कहिलेकाहीँ एकदम पानी परेको छ, धेरै पुवालहरू छन्।
And you have to put pots there to collect the
मेरो
water.
पनि भारा पनि राख्नु पर्यो पानीको लागि घरमा।
Yeah.
जय नेपाल।
Anyway, all of these things, this helps us to become detached from the
यो
material.
सम्पूर्ण कुरा एकदम बिल्कुल वैराग्य उत्पन्न गरिदिन्छ।
Every year we have also things like parikrama, the Goramandal parikrama, and the Navad, and the Brajamandal parikrama.
प्रत्येक सालमा हामीहरू पनि वृन्दावन ब्रजमण्डल परिक्रमा पनि गर्दैछौँ हामीहरू।
It's very good for the devotees to go out and on the parikrama.
यो राम्रो भक्तहरूलाई पनि परिक्रमा मतलब जाने, किनकि भ्रमण
Traveling around, staying in a different place every night.
भ्रमण गर्ने, अर्को अलग-अलग ठाउँमा पनि बस्ने प्रत्येक दिन।
And you get detached from the material situation.
यो भौतिक परिस्थितिबाट पनि स्वाभाविक वैराग्य आउँछ।
And so, of course, this is the lifestyle. This lifestyle, it's meant for sannyasis and brahmacharis.
यो वास्तवमा धेरै ब्रह्मचारी सन्यासीलाई नै नियम हो वास्तवमा।
But it's also good for the women.
तर स्त्रीलाई पनि यो राम्रो छ।
They also get purified by traveling around, visiting holy places.
पवित्र यात्रा गर्नुको कारणले उहाँलाई पनि पवित्रता आउँछ।
Because women also get affected by time.
किनकि समयको अनुसार पनि समय प्रभाव गर्छ स्त्रीलाई पनि।
Their bodies are also material.
उहाँको शरीर पनि भौतिक हुन्छ।
And they have also material, they can be conditioned and they want to become attached and comfortable in one place.
धेरै कारण छ यो आसक्तिको लागि और एक ठाउँको प्रति आसक्त हुनुको लागि स्वभाव छ, सम्भाव।
But that makes it very difficult to leave the world.
तर यो आसक्ति यो संसारलाई छोड्नुको लागि एकदम बाधा छ, गाह्रो हुन्छ।
The more you're attached to one place, then the more difficult it is for you to give it up.
धेरै तपाईँ आसक्त भएको छ एक ठाउँको प्रति, तो तपाईलाई अन्तकालमा गाह्रो हुन्छ त्याग गर्नको लागि।
But this world is not our real home.
तर यो भौतिक संसार हाम्रो घर होइन.
We have to get detached from this world.
हामीहरूलाई वैराग्य छ यो संसारको प्रति.
So the Vedic culture teaches us how we have to practice gradually renunciation.
वैदिक संस्कृति हामीलाई शिक्षा प्रदान गर्छ कसरी हामीहरू बिस्तारै बिस्तारै पनि वैराग्य प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौं.
Traveling, going to different holy places.
भ्रमण गर्ने, यात्रा गर्ने, पवित्र स्थानमा पनि स्थानमा पवित्र यात्रा.
Vanaprasthas. People after Grihastha life, they should move on to Vanaprastha life, where they become detached from the material.
वनप्रस्थ प्रवेश गर्नु गृहस्थलाई एकदम अनिवार्य छ.
Vanaprastha, from the age of 50.
50 वर्षदेखि वनप्रस्थ जीवन सुरु गर्नुपर्छ.
So many of you are younger.
तपाईहरु धेरै मान्छेहरु युवा हुनुहुन्छ.
So you can prepare yourself.
तपाई तयारी गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ आफुलाई.
In the future,
भविष्यमा
when you get to the age of 50,
जब तपाई 50 वर्षको हुन्छ उमेर,
you have to become detached.
तपाई वैराग्य तपाईसँग हुनुपर्छ.
And you have to practice some austerity.
तपाई तपस्या अभ्यास गर्नुस्.
And you can do that by traveling to holy places.
यात्रा गर्ने, पवित्र तीर्थस्थानमा जाने अभ्यास गर्नुस्.
You can travel in Nepal to the different centers. You have so many centers here.
कुटी केन्द्र तपाईको आध्यात्मिक केन्द्रहरू छन् नेपालमा. तपाई त्यहाँ पनि यात्रा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ.
We went one from Pokhara, we went up to Baghlan.
हामी पोखराबाट बागलुङ गयौं.
And then Beni.
बेनी.
And we saw the centers there, the devotees there. We had Harinam in these different places with the devotees.
कस्तो राम्रो थियो तपाईको केन्द्र पनि हेरेको. हामीहरू हरिनाम गर्यौं त्यहाँ भक्तहरूसँग.
And they were very happy to see all of us coming there and joining their kirtan.
एकदम भक्तहरू खुसी भएको छ हामीहरूलाई हेरेर.
And we went to Janakpur.
हामीहरू जनकपुरमा पनि गयौं.
And people were so happy there, even dignitaries came from the government to welcome us to Janakpur.
सरकारको मान्छे पनि आएको छ हामीहरूलाई पनि स्वागत गर्नको लागि.
And this dignitary came, he brought every one of the devotees, more than 50 devotees, gave everyone a chadar.
और 50 भक्तहरूलाई पनि यो सरकारको मान्छे 50 भन्दा धेरै चादर दिएको छ उपहार रूपी.
So Srila Prabhupada said, when you move and travel around like that, he said, then you'll be popular.
यदि तपाई यस्तो पृथ्वीमा भ्रमण गर्नुहुन्छ तपाई एकदम प्रसिद्ध मान्छे हुनुहुन्छ, VIP.
The longer you stay in one place, the more you will quarrel and argue.
एक ठाउँमा बसेर तपाईलाई बिल्कुल एकदम झगडा हुन्छ, बेवकूफ हुन्छ.
Right? You stay in one place, it's so much fighting and quarreling.
झगडा गर्ने, तर्क गर्ने, मारपिट झगडा, युद्ध.
But when you move around, you travel, oh, you're new here, oh, who are you, where did you come from?
तर नयाँ ठाउँमा पुगेर, ओहो तिमी नयाँ मान्छे हो, राम्रो कस्तो राम्रो तपाई सदैव अतिथि हुनुहुन्छ.
And people are so nice to you.
मान्छेहरू एकदम खुसी हुनुहुन्छ तपाईलाई भेटेर.
But you stay in the one place, they say, oh, you again. Oh.
तर यदि एक ठाउँमा बसेर, ओहो फेरि तिमी, ओहो कस्तो.
So it's very good to detach yourself from the material world.
यो राम्रो वैराग्य उत्पन्न गर्ने राम्रो छ यो भौतिक संसारबाट.
So Narada Muni is so fortunate.
नारद मुनि एकदम भाग्यशाली हुनुहुन्छ.
He just travels. He doesn't stay in one place.
एक भ्रमण गर्नुहुन्छ, एक ठाउँमा बस्दैन.
And Prabhupada said, this is the business of the sannyasis, and the brahmacharis should travel with the sannyasis.
और यो प्रभुपादजीले बताएको छ यो ब्रह्मचारी और सन्यासी व्यापार ब्रह्मचारीको व्यापार नै हो, काम हो, सन्यासीसँग भ्रमण गर्ने.
So we encourage all of you devotees also join this traveling program. Take up this traveling preaching.
हामीहरू सबैलाई पनि उत्साह दिनु चाहन्छौँ तपाईँ पनि स्वीकार गर्नुहोस् यो यात्रा गर्नुको लागि प्रचार गर्नु पनि
Yeah, we have so much work to do, so many places to go.
धेरै काम गर्नु बाँकी छ धेरै ठाउँमा जानु पनि पर्छ
So it's such a nice opportunity to distribute Krishna consciousness.
यस्तो राम्रो मौका पाएको छ यो कृष्ण भावनामृत पनि वितरण गर्ने
Okay, any questions?
हरे कृष्ण केही प्रश्न छ
Yes, Prabhu? Small children, can small children travel?
Those who have children.
The
Those who have children, is it possible for them?
okay. Translate.
जुन व्यक्तिसँग बच्चाहरू छन् उहाँलाई पनि सम्भव छ यस्तो भ्रमण गर्नुको लागि प्रचार गर्ने
Well, you should not be neglectful.
तपाईँ एकदम बिल्कुल अनासक्त नहुनुहोस् एकदम अपमान नगर्नुहोस्
If you can make arrangements for the maintenance of your children,
आफ्ना बच्चाहरूलाई पनि व्यवस्था गर्नुहोस् त्यो उहाँलाई सुरक्षा गर्नुको लागि कि
but usually people who are married and who have a family, they have to take care of their family.
यदि तपाईँ बिहा गरेको छ तपाईँ परिवारको एकदम पालन पोषण गर्नै पर्छ नगरी नहुने काम
All right? But if you're able to arrange for the maintenance of the family, then for some time you can travel.
तर यदि तपाईँ आफ्ना परिवारलाई पनि पालन पोषण गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ कहिलेकाहीँ प्रचार गर्नु पनि सक्नुहुन्छ किन
Your motive should not be just to get away from the family.
तपाईको भाव एकदम परिवार छोडेर भाग्ने वाला भाव हुनु हुँदैन
If you think, oh, this family, these children are so much trouble, I just want to go and travel.
यो बच्चा यो परिवार दिक्क लाग्छ म भाग्छु प्रचारको लागि महाराज प्रवचनमा बताएको छ
That is not a good motivation.
यो नराम्रो भाव
You have young children, they need to have a father.
युवा बच्चालाई पनि बुवा चाहियो
The father is important.
बुवा एकदम महत्त्वपूर्ण हुनुहुन्छ
Bring children up without the father, it's not very easy.
बच्चाहरूलाई बिना बुवा पालन पोषण गर्ने गाह्रो छ
And so for some time, a little while you can go and travel, but you cannot neglect your responsibility.
केही समयको लागि प्रचार गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तर आफ्ना जिम्मा त्याग नदिनुस्
I said, when you vanaprastha, then you can go and travel.
मैले भनेको जब तपाईँ वनप्रस्थ हुनुहुन्छ 50 वर्षपछि त्यसपछि तपाईँ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
Means when you're 50 and over.
तपाईँ एकदम 50 वर्षको भन्दा माथि
Because half the life is over, you have to prepare for the next life.
अब जीवन आधा जीवन सिद्धियो अब तयारी गर्नुस् अर्को जीवनको लागि
And so you have to get detached. Yes, Mataji. Yugala Kishori.
Hare Krishna, Gurudev，我们在和您一起的朝圣之旅，真的体验到了很多的喜乐和一些神迹。但是这种朝圣对于中国的玛达吉来说，真的是很不容易。然后，还有这种庙宇生活和与圣人的联谊，我们真的很难得。那么我的问题是，怎么能让这种朝圣之旅得到的这种净化能更多一些？回去之后能保持的时间也长一些，否则没过多长时间就被又打回原样了。Hare Krishna。
Guru money? Give Guru money. Oh, Rama Yagna's there. Let Rama Yagna do it.
Yugala Kishori Mataji's question is, we got a lot of blissfulness and we experienced some miracles during our pilgrimage with Maharaj. We feel purified, but for the Chinese Mataji, the experience of the temple life, this kind of pilgrimage is very difficult for us. So when we go back to China, back to our home, how can we maintain this kind of purification instead of being, going back to how we were before because of the material situation? How we can keep this kind of consciousness with us when we go back?
चाइनिज मातालाई एकदम नेपालमा एकदम गाह्रो भएको छ आश्रममा बसेर चाइना पछि फेरि यत्रो ऐश्वर्यपूर्व फेरि फर्काउनु भएपछि फेरि कसरी यो वैराग्य भाव पालन पोषण कसरी हामीलाई पनि वैराग्य हुनुपर्छ कसरी यो भाव पनि सुरक्षा गर्नुपर्छ हामीलाई
So every year you have to come.
प्रत्येक वर्षमा तपाईँ आउनुहोस्
Right?
वैराग्य कमी हुँदैन
You have to make a program every year
प्रत्येक वर्ष चाहिँ एक कार्यक्रम बनाउनुहोस्
to come and travel for some time.
केही समयको लागि पनि आउनुहोस् प्रचार मतलब भ्रमण गर्नुहोस्
That will be the best way.
राम्रो हुन्छ ब्यालेन्स हुन्छ
Yes?
There is one saying that when woman requesting the man to accept her, he has to accept. That's what I read in Shastra. But then now in Kali Yuga, so much upside down things. And when a woman may request the man, man may not like her, and he's not accepting, then why Shastra say so? That when a woman is requesting the man, he has to accept. La. सन्यासीलाई फसाएको
Hare Krishna. I don't know what Shastra are you reading? I never read this in any Shastra.
कुन शास्त्रमा तपाईँ पाइ यो कुरा परेको कहाँ कुन शास्त्र कहाँ त्यो हाम्रो इस्कनको किताब I wrote in ISKCON books I read when Kshatriyas are accepting women.
No. Kshatriya. Okay, Kshatriya. We're not Kshatriya. We're Brahman, right?
त्यो मात्र चाहिँ यो क्षत्रियलाई जस्तो यहाँ नेपालमा अर्जुन पनि आएर उहाँको उलुपी नगाकन्या यहाँ काठमाडौँमा उहाँलाई पुनः प्रस्ताव गरेको छ बिहा गर्नुस् मसँग
The Kshatriya is supposed to accept.
क्षत्रिय नै गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ
Where are the Kshatriyas?
क्षत्रिय कोही
Kali Yuga, there's no Kshatriyas. No.
कलियुगमा क्षत्रिय नै छैन
Previously, these things were there.
पुराना जमानामा त्यो क्षत्रिय हुनुहुन्थ्यो अहिले क्षत्रिय नै छैन त्यो मतलब त्यो वीर्य भाव क्षत्रिय भाव छैन मान्छेसँग ठुलो मान्छे क्षत्रियको नामी त्यो पनि युद्धको बेलामा आफ्ना अफिसमा बस्नुहुन्छ बटम दबाउँछ युद्ध क्षेत्रमा जानुहुन्न आजभोलि
Interesting.
Yes, so nowadays even so-called Kshatriyas, they sitting in their bunkers and pressing the buttons. They never go to the battlefield. They don't have that guts.
Okay, any other question? Yes?
Our Nepal organize yatra every year. Okay, this time also we are having Vrindavan Yatra. I guess around 2,000 devotees were traveling to Vrindavan. How can such yatra help us in our devotion, and how can such yatra help us to get detached from this world? How can we get detachment from such yatra?
So this is advertisement. From 24th September to 4th October we have yatra in Vrindavan. Few thousand devotees going. So how this yatra can help all of us?
Well, it gives you a lot of association with the devotees. In the association of devotees, there will be a lot of hearing and chanting. You go to the Holy Land, you go to Vrindavan, you go there to do more hearing and chanting.
तपाईँ वृन्दावनमा गएर धेरै श्रवण गर्नुहोस् र जप गर्नुहोस्, कीर्तन गर्नुहोस्।
The whole program from morning to night will just be Krishna consciousness.
बिहानदेखि बेलुकासम्म रातसम्म कृष्ण भावना भावित तपाईँ हुनुहुन्छ।
So it's a wonderful opportunity to purify ourselves, to get freed from all the maya of the material world.
अति सुन्दर मौका, एकदम मायाबाट पनि वैराग्य और पनि मायामा नबस्ने भक्तहरूसँग।
Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Srimad Bhagavatam ki
जय,
Srila Prabhupada ki
जय, हरि बोल। His Holiness Bhakti Vinashana Singha Bhagavan Singha Maharaj की जय। अनि उहाँको परम भक्त हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँ पनि नृसिंह महाराज की जय।
Patri Prabhu ki
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद, भक्त वृन्द जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्त वृंद की।